Hi guys, I'm Chevelle from Beautiful Beginnings, and today I'll be doing a simple bridal look on my beautiful bride Candy. Alright, so first I'll start with the brows. I prefer to start with the brows because doing foundation first, you actually get your hands all over the face, you know, so I don't want to smudge the foundation, so I go with brows first. And we go in with a brown pencil, not a black, because we want the brows to look as natural as possible. Now I'm going to highlight the brows. So we use a lighter concealer to highlight the brows. And it has nice thick brows, so you don't have to do much. Really getting it shaded in. We use that same concealer on the lid as a primer to get our shadow started. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my background color, which is usually a neutral color for the shadow, or earth tone, some people say. Now I'm going to go in with a soft shadow. Alright, I'm going in with a soft shadow because remember we're doing a simple neutral look. This is a very simple bride. She don't like all the excitement and all that jazz. Okay, I'm gonna be using a matte pigment just to highlight the shadow a little bit, give it a little shimmer. I'm just gonna blend out the edge of that and then darken the edges. Blending, blending. That's the key to a perfect makeup look. Have to blend those colors properly. Okay, now I'm gonna line the eyes just to give them an extra pop. Now with lining the eyes, if you notice, I didn't do a dramatic wing because bridal looks are really simple. You don't need a dramatic wing like you're going to a party or any of that excitement. So as simple as possible and not too thick. Alright, now I'm gonna add some lashes to top off the eyeshadow look. Yeah, some people really don't like lashes or they're afraid to put lashes on because they think they're going to look fake, but the key is getting the right set of lashes. They have really natural lashes. See, this is pretty natural. It just enhances a little bit. I think on your special day you don't want to look dramatic. You want to look as clean cut as possible. Simple, but enhanced at the same time. Some brides, they want extravagance, they want red lips, they want all that jazz, but I prefer, you know, less color to no color bride. Now this is the shadow. It's pretty simple. Little shimmer with the dark ends. Yes. Now we go on to the foundation, my favorite part. Right, I come through. I actually do prefer to mix my foundations because it matches the skin tone much better to me as opposed to just using one shade. So I usually mix different foundations to get the right color. This is a beauty blender. I usually use this to apply the foundation because it helps the foundation to sit on the skin a lot better. You know, your little blemishes, your uneven skin tone and all of that, the foundation helps to give you an even tone. So getting the right shade is key. And blend, blend, blend. We blend right down into the neck because we don't want a mask. Okay. Some people want to cover up tattoos, so you put foundation on the chest or the arm, or if they want to cover a scar on the neck, wherever. Okay, I'm gonna go back with the same concealer I used to highlight her brows. Our face is not one color, it has dimensions, and there are points that you want to highlight on the camera and points that you want to bring back. So this is why we use the concealer to highlight certain parts, and then we contour other parts. So the concealer helps to hide the morning bags and the dark rings under the eyes. We go down the nose to get the nose looking a little bit straighter. The beauty of makeup, right? Make her nose look smaller. You can contour her forehead. All that jazz. Give you cheekbones. Alright, so we're blending this out. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, now I'm going to set the highlight with the setting powder. This really keeps it in place so it doesn't crease. And they call this baking. So we're putting the face in the oven right now. Isn't my model just gorgeous? Alright, now I'm gonna pop her eyes a little bit with a black liner. Look up. And then I'm just gonna buff it a little bit with a dark brown. You buff it, I buff out mostly on my light skin clients because she's so light. So if it looks too black, it's going to be, you know, a little bit too much on her eyes. So you buff it with a lighter brown. So you kind of fade it. So it's a bit softer to the eyes. So now I'm gonna go back and blend out that baking powder I put earlier. Taking it out the oven. Alright, so now I'm going to contour a little bit. Contouring is really creating an illusion of letting areas on your face look a little bit smaller. Or giving the face dimensions, as I was saying earlier. Giving her a little cheekbone here. And we go down the nose to give the nose a straighter look. So I'm going to give her a little blush to lift those cheeks. And it really just adds that girly look to your makeup. Okay, now I'm going to do the lips. I'm going to line them with a brown pencil. Lining it with a brown pencil can actually give an illusion of the lip looking smaller too. So be sure to blend out that liner. We don't want it to look too harsh. We want it to kind of fade when you add the lipstick. And again, I'm using a natural gloss. Nice and soft. I know we're going to add a little highlight to her cheeks. Gives her that glow. Alright, now I'm gonna put some mascara on her lashes to pop them a little bit more. Just gonna go back over the eyes. Alright guys, so this is our finished look, and as I said before, I added neutral colors straight through, neutral shadow, neutral lips, and we just added lashes for that extra pop, you know, it enhances a little bit. Liners to bring out the eyes, and a little shimmer on the cheeks, highlights we call it, for that pop. Yeah, so this is my finished simple but effective bridal look. So yeah, I'm Chevelle from Beautiful Beginnings, and thank you guys for tuning in to my makeup demo.